I'm starting a project, and it can be your project too. Because you and I can do our part in saving the earth even while at home.
Every day, we accumulate a lot of food waste. But instead of throwing these away, ending up in landfills, which produces methane, a greenhouse gas that further harms the environment, there's actually an eco-smart choice for reducing waste, even turning it into zero waste. The UV Care Zero Waste EcoSmart Kitchen solution simplifies and speeds up the process of turning food waste into compost without unpleasant odors. And this is where my project begins. Plus, the great thing is, going zero waste is easy as 1, 2, 3. All it takes is just a push of a button. Within few hours, the result is an organic soil additive that provides nutrients to your soil and aids in plant growth. Let's convert these leftovers to plant growers.
Each time we choose to reduce and reuse waste, we give the earth a fighting chance to be restored.
Reduce, reuse, repeat. That simple choice to do one's part is the beginning of a big difference.
Join me in my project. Now is the best time to begin. UV Care Zero Waste.